Hi everyone, are you all ready for story time? Alright, what do we sing before we start the story? Roly poly, hands go up. Roly poly, hands go down. Roly poly, hands go clap. Roly poly, on my lap. Okay, let's get started.
Duckling gets a cookie. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Hello, may I have a cookie please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all the nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking. Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus, I ask for hot dog patties, I'll ask for a french fry robot very now and then. I have asked for a walrus. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Right now, I'm asking why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for hug. I ask to stay up late. Oh, I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the time I have asked for my own personal iceberg. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No, it's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. Haba, what? You are giving me that cookie with the nuts? That is so nice. Thank you. Thanks very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end.